Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the right account and information for Minecraft education. You need an Office 365 education or school-managed email account to sign in. Create a secure password 8 to 16 characters long, including numbers and symbols. Enable two-step verification on your account for added protection. Allow about 3 minutes to complete email verification and setup steps before moving on. If you lack a school account, request one from your teacher or IT administrator now. Open a browser and go to Account, Microsoft.com to create a Microsoft account now. Choose Create Account and enter your Office 365 education or school email address during the 5-step process. Provide your display name and set a password you will remember. Verify the email using the code sent to your inbox or school portal. Enable two-step verification under security settings for improved safety. Accept the Microsoft terms to complete the account creation and return to prepare. Download Minecraft Education from the Microsoft Store or your school-provided link and install it in about 5 minutes. Launch the app and choose Sign In, then enter your Office 365 education or school-managed account credentials. Accept the requested permissions so the app can sync assignments and progress. If your teacher gave a class code, click Join and enter that code to connect to the correct world. Test a simple activity to confirm sign-in, and contact IT if any authentication errors appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.